Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a vertical divider to your pages and databases on Notion really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to a page or database in your Notion workspace. So let me go with that test page here for the sake of this tutorial. And let me assume, for example, I would like to place a vertical divider somewhere below here, that image. So you may apply a simple trick for that, guys. All you will need to do is give Notion the command here in that line / and then quote, for example, to use a quotation just like that. That is going to add a short vertical divider like that. Now, if you'd like to elongate it or make it longer, simply use the following trick. Press and hold the left shift on your keyboard and press enter to increase or to make it longer. As you can see, that vertical divider is becoming longer and longer. So that's how you add a vertical divider like that to your document. Now, what if you'd like to move that vertical divider somewhere here more to the center or to the right? You can do that, unfortunately, by left clicking on these 6 dots here and by moving it around with your mouse. It doesn't work like that. So guys, here you will have to apply a second trick. Simply click below where the vertical divider ends and type in some example text just like that, any random stuff. And after that, simply move that text here by left clicking on these 6 dots and by moving it here to the left of that vertical divider. Release your mouse, and as you can see now, the vertical divider has been moved here to the right, and now you can freely adjust its position by simply clicking on that arrow left and right icon here and by moving it to the left or to the right to adjust its position manually. And that's how it works in practice, guys. That's how you add a vertical divider to your documents and pages on Notion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.